up with our motto, let learning be a joy and teaching a pleasure. Here we are with a remote teaching and learning process to bridge the gap. Happy learning, students.
Hello students, today we are going to study Mathematics Part 1 of Standard 10th, Chapter number 2, Quadratic Equation. In this video, we are going to see the third method of solving the quadratic equation, that is formula method. Let us see the formula. Formula is x equals to minus b plus minus root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Now here the points what we have to remember is, first thing is that equation should be there in the standard form. If not given, we will make it in a standard form. After getting it in a standard form, we will try to get the value of a, b and c. After getting the value of a, b, c, we will first find out the values inside the root sign. Means we will find out value of b square minus 4ac. And after getting the value of b square minus 4ac, we will substitute that value in our main formula. That main formula is x equals to minus b plus minus root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Let us start solving practice set 2.4. In practice set 2.4, main question number 1 is compare the given quadratic equation to the general form and write the values of a, b, c. Already this type of sum we had done in practice set 2.1, main question number 3. Therefore, here in this practice set 2.4, main question number 1 we are not doing. That sum you will be doing it as your homework. We are beginning with main question 2. In main question number 2, they had said solve the following quadratic equation by formula method. Already the formula we had seen. Let us begin with the sum. Sum number 1, x square plus 6x plus 5 equals to 0. Let us start with the solution. As we had seen in the previous slide, first we have to compare our equation with a standard form. Here the equation is given in the standard form. We will do comparing the above equation with ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. Then we will get the value of a as 1, b as 6 and c as 5. After getting the value of a, b and c, we will find out the value of b square minus 4ac. After substituting the value of a, b and c, we will get 6 square minus 4 into 1 into 5. Further it can be written as 36 minus 20 and it will be 16. Means the value of b square minus 4ac equals to 16. Then now we will use the main formula. We will write by using formula. We will write the main formula as x equals to minus b plus minus root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. After substituting the value, we will get the value of b as 6. Already formula they had given minus b. We will write minus 6 plus minus root value already we had solved. We had got 16, the value of b square minus 4ac. Inside root we will write 16 and down 2a. A value is 1. So we will write 2 into 1. Further solving we will get x equals to minus 6 plus minus 4 upon 2. Now we will separate the positive and the negative sign, which can be written as x equals to minus 6 plus 4 upon 2 or x equals to minus 6 minus 4 upon 2. Then we will get x equals to minus 2 upon 2 or x equals to minus 10 upon 2. After making it to the simplest form, we will get x equals to minus 1 or x equals to minus 5. Then final answer we will write minus 1 or minus 5 are the roots of the given quadratic equation. Sum number 2, x square minus 3x minus 2 equals to 0. Here also the given equation is there in the standard form. We will do comparing with the standard form. Ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. We will get the value of a as 1, b as minus 3 and c as minus 2. Then we will find out the value of b square minus 4ac. Here the value of b square minus 4ac is 17. Now by using our main formula, that formula is x equals to minus b plus minus root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. We will substitute the value of a, b, c and we will get minus into minus 3 plus minus root 17 upon 2 into 1, which can further be written as 3 plus minus root 17 upon 2. 17 is not a perfect square of any number. Therefore, it will be written with the root sign. Now we will separate that positive and negative. It will be written as x equals to 3 plus root 17 upon 2 or x equals to 3 minus root 17 upon 2. Therefore, our final answer will be written as 3 plus root 17 upon 2 or 3 minus root 17 upon 2 are the roots of the given quadratic equation. Let us start with sum number 3. 3m square plus 2m minus 7 equals to 0. Again here the equation given is there in the standard form. We will compare it with ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. We will get the value of a as 3, value of b as 2, value of c as minus 7. Now let us find out the value of b square minus 4ac. Here the value of b square minus 4ac will be 88. Now we will use the main formula. Here the variable they had used is m. Therefore, while writing that formula, we will write m equals to minus b plus minus root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Let us substitute the value of abc here. After substituting the value, we can see the value of b square minus 4ac was 88. Therefore, in root we had written 88. Let us factorize this 88 and we will write. So it can be written as m equals to minus 2 plus minus root 2 into 2 into 2 into 11. Inside the root, the values which are written twice can be taken out and remaining values will be there inside the root. The next line we will write it as m equals to minus 2 plus minus 2 root 22 upon 6. Let us separate them with a plus sign and a negative sign. It can be written as m equals to minus 2 plus 2 root 22 upon 6 or m equals to minus 2 root 22 upon 6. Observe the numerator in both the equation. In both the equation we get two terms. In first equation we get minus 2 plus 2 root 22 where we can take 2 as common, and in second equation we are getting minus 2 root 22. Here also 2 we can take it as common, which can be written as 2 in bracket minus 1 plus root 22 upon 6 or m equals to 2 in bracket minus 1 minus root 22 upon 6. In both the equation 2 and 6 can be cancelled by 2's table and we will get minus 1 plus root 22 upon 3 or minus 1 minus root 22 upon 3. This will be the final answer and we will write it as minus 1 plus root 22 upon 3 or minus 1 minus root 22 upon 3 are the roots of the given quadratic equation. Sum number 4. 5m square minus 4m minus 2 equals to 0. Again here also the equation given is there in the standard form. We will compare it with ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. We will get the value of a as 5, b as minus 4 and c as minus 2. Let us try to get the value of b square minus 4ac. Here the value of b square minus 4ac is 56. We will apply our main formula. Again the variable they had given is m. We will write m equals to minus b plus minus root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Let us substitute the value. We will get m equals to minus into minus 4 plus minus root 56 upon 2 into 5. Again in root we are getting 56. So we will factorize that 56 and we will write m equals to 4 plus minus root 2 into 2 into 2 into 7 upon 10. Again the pair values can be taken outside the root. It will be written as m equals to 4 plus minus 2 root 14 upon 10. Again we will split that negative sign on one side and the positive sign on the other. We will write m equals to 4 plus 2 root 14 upon 10 or m equals to 4 minus 2 root 14 upon 10. Again in the numerator two terms we are getting, and in both the term 2 can be taken as common, which can further be written as m equals to 2 into 2 plus root 14 upon 10 or m equals to 2 into 2 minus root 14 upon 10. Again 2 and 10 can be cancelled by 2's table and we will get 2 plus root 14 upon 5 or m equals to 2 minus root 14 upon 5, which further cannot be solved. Therefore the value of m we got, that is 2 plus root 14 upon 5 or 2 minus root 14 upon 5, and these are the root of the given quadratic equation. Sum number 5. Y square plus 1 upon 3y equals to 2. Here when we observe the equation, at the place of denominator they had given 3. So first thing we will do, we will try to remove the denominator 3. We will write multiplying throughout by 3, we get 3y square plus y equals to 6. After removing the denominator, let us see the equation whether it is given in the standard form. No, here it is not given in the standard form. That 6 value, constant value, has to be shifted to the left hand side. We will write 3y square plus y minus 6 equals to 0. After converting that equation in a standard form, we will compare with ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. We will get the value of ABC, value of a as 3, value of b as 1 and c equals to minus 6. Let us try to find out the value of b square minus 4ac. After getting the value of b square minus 4ac, 73, we will start writing our main formula. Here the variable they had given y, therefore we will write y equals to minus b plus minus root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Let us substitute the values. We will get y equals to minus 1 plus minus root 73 upon 2 into 3. Here inside root we are getting 73, which is a prime number, cannot be further factorized. We will be writing it as y equals to minus 1 plus minus root 73 upon 6. Now we will split it into two parts. It will become y equals to minus 1 plus root 73 upon 6 or y equals to minus 1 minus root 73 upon 6. So this will be our final answer. Sum number 6. 5x square plus 13x plus 8 equals to 0. Here again the equation is there in the standard form. We will start comparing with ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. We will get the value of a, b and c. After getting the value of a, b, c, we will find out the value of b square minus 4ac. Here the value of b square minus 4ac is 9. Let us start writing our main formula. X equals to minus b plus minus root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. After substituting the value, we can get x equals to minus 13 plus minus root 9 upon 2 into 5. Now root 9 is the square of 3. Therefore the next line will be written as minus 13 plus minus 3 upon 10. Let us separate them. It will be written as x equals to minus 13 plus 3 upon 10 or x equals to minus 13 minus 3 upon 10, which can further be written as minus 10 upon 10 or minus 16 upon 10. It can be simplified and we will get the value of x as minus 1 or minus 8 upon 5. Our final answer will be written as minus 1 or minus 8 upon 5 are the roots of the given quadratic equation. In this video, we completed practice set 2.4, which was solving the quadratic equation by formula method. I hope you all had understood the topic what we covered in this video. Thank you.